freaking yell, Knuckles?
Sorry. Well, it's your birthday today, so, I thought I'd wake you up.
Well, you didn't have to freaking... Wait. What day is it?
It's your birthday? Are you telling me you forgot your own birthday, Sonic? That's so pathetic of you.
Happy
birthday, I guess.
Whoa, I'm surprised I didn't even remember my own birthday. Weird. Well, I am crashing in my 30s, so... Sonic, I'll have you know, you want to open my present first. It's from Hot Topic. Nobody cares about your emo store, Shadow. I'm gonna pet the cat. Get over here, cat! Anyway, Faker, here's my gift. Enjoy it. Alright, let's see what it is. Oh my god! I didn't know they made a Sonic the Werehog Funko Pop! And you better freaking enjoy that, because I had to pay lots of money for that. And you better not open it, either. That will just lessen the value. Alright, we'll just put this nice piece of artwork here. And yes, I did take these two out of the boxes, and I still have the boxes. Don't question my ways!
I put the cat in the box.
Wait a minute, where's Classic Sonic at? Like, isn't it his birthday too, technically? I don't know. Neither do I care. Movie Sonic, what are you doing here? Oh, nothing. I just thought I would celebrate my birthday with my video game counterpart. Nice. I have the perfect way to celebrate too. Yes, let's watch this movie for the 1000th time. We've actually seen this like a countless amount of times, like seriously. You do realize the movie would have been better with like me or Ray in it, right?
Shut up, guys! You're only from the classic universe!
Hey, there's no need to be racist here.
I don't care.
Hey, Sonic, I think there's like a special update for Sonic Frontiers for your birthday. It was free too. Nice thinking, little bro.
Alright, let's check this out.
Whoa. This is really cool. Oh, look at all these guys. Well, that's enough of that.
Alright guys, so before the video ends, I actually have a package. I slightly opened it to make sure it wasn't a bootleg. It's the boy! So of course, his hands are stuck, so let's just take care of that. Okay, so, the reason I got this guy is because one reason, I really liked this plush. And, the second is because I realized that the Tomy Classic Sonic I use is a bit bigger than the Sonic plush I use. So, this guy's actually smaller. And, also, another change you're going to see in Classic Sonic is, I'm going to actually change his voice. I'm going to make him sound like Sonic from that, like, 1999 anime.
Shut up, Tails!
So, yeah, that's the video.